Hello students, I Miss Joyce DaCosta, teacher of St. Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, teaching in Standard 5th. Today in this video, I am going to teach Mathematics Chapter 9, Decimal Fraction. So what is decimal fraction? A fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000 or any other 10 times multiple of 10 is called a decimal fraction. For example, 5 upon 10, 68 upon 100, 285 upon 1000. They are written in numerator and denominator form. The next point is decimal point. The decimal place is created for writing a fraction. When writing numbers, a dot is written after the last digit of the whole part of a number to indicate the end of that part. This symbol is called a decimal point. The decimal point is used to write 8, 5 upon 10 as 8.5. This is read as 8.5. Example, 23 upon 10 is written as 20.3. 7 tenths can be written as 7 upon 10 or 0.7. 7 upon 10 is the usual way of writing the number and 0.7 is the decimal way. Problem set 36, page number 53. So based on the explanation of decimal fraction and decimal point, we are going to solve the problem set number 36. Write the following mixed fractions in decimal form and read them aloud. So now from the problem set, I have taken 3 sums. Rest you have to do on your own as a homework. First I have taken 3 9 upon 10. The decimal form of this mixed fraction will be 3.9 and it will be read as 3.9. Second, I have taken number 4, 8 upon 10. The decimal form of this number will be 0.8 and it will be read as 0.8. Next number I have taken 5, 5 upon 10. The decimal form of this number will be 0.5 and it will be read as 0.5. Next, hundreds. If 1 upon 10 is divided into 10 equal parts, each part becomes 1 upon 100 or 100. Therefore, note that 1/10 is equal to 10 hundredths or 0.1 or 0.10. By multiplying 1 upon 100 by 10, we get 10 upon 100 and 10 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 10. By cutting the zeros, if we take out the zeros, it will be 1 upon 10. Therefore, it is possible to create a hundreds place next to the tens place. After creating the hundreds place, we can write 14 upon 100 as 0.14. Now 14 upon 100 is equal to 10 plus 4 upon 100. 10 upon 100 plus 4 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100. Meaning that when writing 14 upon 100 in decimal form, 1 is written in the tens place and 4 is written in the hundreds place. This fraction is written as 0.14 and is read as 0.14. Similarly, 657 upon 100 is written as 6.57 and 5071 upon 100 is written as 50.71. While writing 3 upon 100 in decimal form, we must remember that there is no number in the tens place and so we must put 0 in that place, which means that 3 upon 100 is written as 0.03. So based on this, let's study the table. Study how the decimal fractions in the table below are written and read. So a table is there. This table I have taken from the textbook, page number 53. Fractions, tens, units, tens, hundreds, decimal fraction in figure, decimal fraction in words. Now fraction 7 5 upon 10. Now 7 is written in units place, 5 is written in tens place. Hundreds place there is no number because 5 upon 10 number we got is 10. Decimal fraction in figure will be 7.5 and it will be read as, and it is written in words as 7.5. Similarly, 7 5 upon 100. Now my dear students, over here in first fraction it was 5 upon 10. Now it is 5 upon 100, that is 7 5 upon 100. 7 is in units place. Now in tens place, instead of 5, 0 is written because it is 5 upon 100. So tens place is 0 and hundreds place is 5. The decimal fraction in figure is 7.05 and it is written in words as 7.05. Next fraction is 82 upon 100. In units place a 0 is written. In tens place 8 and in hundreds place 2. So the fraction is 0.82 and it is read as 0.82. Similarly, the last fraction, that is 25 6 upon 100. 25 is a two-digit number. That's the reason 2 will come in tens place, 5 will come in units place. Now 0 will come in tens place, in hundreds place 6 will come. So the fraction in figure will be 25.06 and it will be written in words as 25.06. So based on this, we are going to solve problem set number 37, which is on page number 53. Write the following mixed fraction in decimal form and read them aloud. Now, three tables I have created, that is fraction, decimal fractions in figure, decimal fractions in words. First, I have taken from the exercise number 1, that is 9 1 upon 10. 9 1 upon 10 in decimal fraction will be written as 9.1 and in words it will be written as 9.1. Second, I have taken number 3 from the problem set, 453 upon 100. So 453 upon 100 in decimal fraction will be written as 4.53 and it will be written in words as 4.53. Next, I have taken number 5, that is 5 upon 100. Now 5 upon 100, since 5 upon 100 is the fraction, so the decimal fraction will be 0.05 and in words it will be written as 0.05. And the next one, that is last one, I have taken number 8, 20 upon 100. Now it's a two-digit number divided by 100. So decimal fraction will be 0.20 and it will be written as 0.20 in words. So based on this, we have solved the exercise. I hope my explanation of decimal fraction, decimal point and hundreds is clear to you all. Thank you.